Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTube Investors. It's Saturday, March 29th, 2025, and I'm Tor, here to break down the top 10 finance news stories shaking up the markets this week. From mortgage rate drops to tariff turmoil and gold hitting new highs, we've got a lot to unpack. So grab your coffee or your calculator, and let's dive into the money moves that matter. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more finance updates every week. Alright, let's kick things off with number 10. At number 10, mortgage and refinance rates are making waves, or should I say, dropping like it's hot. According to Yahoo Finance, rates have been sliding since the start of 2025 with a noticeable dip this week. Experts say economic uncertainty and chatter about Federal Reserve rate cuts are pushing borrowing costs down. Thinking of locking in a rate? Now might be the time, but some analysts warn rates could swing either way with so much up in the air. What do you think? Buy now or wait it out? Let me know in the comments. Moving to number 9, April's Social Security payments are right around the corner and folks are buzzing about it. Yahoo Finance reports that payments kick off next week, starting with the second Wednesday of the month, April 9th, depending on your birth date. If you're still waiting on March's check, heads up. Delays could mean a quick call to the SSA. With inflation worries lingering, these updates are a lifeline for millions. Stay tuned for more on how this ties into bigger economic trends. At number 8, dividend stocks are stealing the spotlight. Yahoo Finance and Simply Wall Street note that with the U.S. stock market roller coaster, think S&P 500 dips and tariff fears, investors are flocking to reliable dividend payers for stability. Names like Fifth Third Bancorp and S&T Bancorp are popping up, offering steady income in shaky times. It's a smart play, but will it hold if inflation heats up? We'll see. Number 7 is all that glitters. Gold. Bank of America just bumped its forecasts, predicting gold at $3,063 per ounce in 2025, and it's already hovering around $3,024. Reuters says Trump's trade policies and global uncertainty are driving this safe haven surge. If you're into shiny investments, this could be your moment. But can it climb to $3,500 in 2 years? Buffett thinks so, if demand spikes. At number 6, the stock market took a beating this week. CNBC reports a sharp sell-off on Friday, with the Dow dropping over 700 points and the S&P 500 shedding nearly 2%. Blame it on trade policy jitters and a grim inflation outlook. Tesla's bouncing back a bit, but it's still down big for 2025. Are we in for more turbulence, or is this a buying opportunity? Sound off below. Halfway there. If you're loving this rundown, smash that subscribe button and follow us on Twitter for real-time finance scoops. Let's keep rolling. Number 5 is a big one. President Trump's auto tariffs are rattling markets. Reuters says the Canadian dollar and Mexican peso tanked after Trump announced levies this week. Traders are on edge, waiting for next week's full tariff reveal. It's a mixed bag for the US dollar, but one thing's clear: global trade is feeling the heat. How will this play out? Stay tuned. At number 4, tech stocks are in the hot seat. Investopedia highlights a tech sector sell-off, with Tesla and Nvidia leading losses midweek before a late rally. Analysts are split. Some see growth in names like Micron Technology, while Barclays slashed its S&P 500 target, citing tariffs and weak data. Tech's a wild ride right now. Hold tight. Number 3 is a win for savers. Top CDs are holding strong. Investopedia says you can still snag 5% rates through September 2026, with 4.5% options out to 21 months. With Fed rate cuts on the horizon, these could be the best yields we see for a while. Time to stash some cash? I'd say yes. Number 2 is a heavy hitter. Recession talk is heating up. Yahoo Finance reports Wall Street's getting nervous, with JP Morgan tossing out a 40% recession odds for 2025. Tariffs, inflation, and shaky consumer confidence are fueling the fire. Even if the Fed cuts rates, some say mortgage drops might come from bad news. Not good. Buckle up, folks. And the number 1 finance story this week, a potential global trade war. Reuters and Investopedia say Trump's tariff offensive is spooking markets worldwide. From the UK trimming spending to Asia's currencies wobbling, the ripple effects are real. Gold's up, stocks are shaky, and investors are on edge. This could shape 2025. Stay sharp. That's your top 10 finance news for the week of March 29, 2025. What's your take on these stories? Are you buying gold, locking in a CD, or just watching the chaos unfold? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more. See you next week. Until then, keep your money moves smart.